Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jocelyn and this is Life with Jocelyn Christina. I'm so excited to do this video. Oh my gosh, I have such great news for everyone. So I just bought my first home. Yay! I'm so excited. This is like the most rewarding, exciting feeling that I have had in a very long time. I wanted to just do this video and go over with you like what home I bought and my process with Ryan Homes. And we're also going to take a drive out to the site to do a 2-week update on what they have done so far with my new house. So let's go ahead and begin. So I bought a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath house, 2-car garage with a fully finished basement. And I purchased that through the builder. It's called Ryan Homes. I want to talk about my home buying process, like how I begin with buying the home. So I drove out to the site where they were building all the houses in that area or that community. And I went into the sales office and I met with one of the sales people in the office. I sat down and the salesperson went over with me all of the different models that they had to choose from. So there's several different models to purchase that you can pick out that you like, depending on square footage and everything like that. So I picked out the model that I wanted, which is the Columbia model. And then I also, once you pick out your model home that you want, then the salesperson will show you everything that you can buy for your house as far as like, designing the inside of the home. So as far as like, what type of flooring do you want? What type of countertops do you want for your kitchen? Cabinetry, how do you want that to look? Whether or not you want a double oven, and just a lot of other features, whether you want carpet on the main level, if you want hardwood flooring, like there's so much to choose from. So I sat down, I think I was there for about like 2 hours. I was there for a while. And so I picked out all of the features for my house, everything, I went over everything from top to bottom with what I wanted for my home. And I'm so excited that I'm trying not to cry. I don't want to get emotional, but this has been a dream of mine for so long. I wasn't even sure like when this was gonna happen, and it just kind of happened unexpectedly. And I'm just so grateful that God could bless me to be able to purchase this beautiful house. So anyway, back to what I was saying. So after I picked out everything for the house, like what I wanted for the design, then the salesperson had me go ahead and review all of the features that I wanted for the house, and he goes over the pricing of all of the features that you add to the house. So let's say I wanted hardwood floors versus carpet on the main level, then the salesperson will go over the price difference of all of those different features that you add to the home. Then after he goes over all of the prices of all the features that you've added, plus the base price of the home. So he takes to the home, adds all of the costs for all of the features that you've added for the home, and then he'll give you the total price for the house. And then he'll let you know how much down payment you need for the house. So I know for me, I had to put down 5% of the purchase price of the house. So I put down that 5%, and then that got me started. It got me into a contract with the builder, with building the house. The next step after that was to go through the mortgage company, which is NVR Mortgage. So NVR Mortgage is the mortgage company that I use to get the approval for the mortgage loan. So then after I dealt with the salesperson, which is part of Ryan Homes, which is part of building the house, then I also met with the loan officer through a virtual meeting, and we went over all of my finances, my financial income, and the loan officer took all of my information, my pay stubs, bank statements, my tax statements, everything, and he took all of that information and submitted me to what they call underwriting. Now, underwriting is the part of the process where the bank approves you for the loan. You know, you get that initial pre-approval for the house. So I submitted everything to the underwriter for that initial pre-approval, and it was actually pretty fast. Like, I got the pre-approval for the house, I want to say it was so quick. I want to say it was like not more than a week, a few days, definitely not more than a week. I got a call from my loan officer, and he told me, you know, you've been approved for the house. And I was like, oh my gosh. So I was so excited. I remember I called my mom, I called everybody, I texted all my friends. I was just so excited. So after you get that initial pre-approval, then they will go ahead and schedule what they call a pre-construction meeting. Now, at the pre-construction meeting, you meet with the salesperson and what they call the project manager. He's the one that oversees the building of your home. So I met with the sales agent or the salesperson and the project manager, and at this meeting, they go over everything, just finalize all of the features that you've picked out for your house, you know, the model, the floor plan, just everything with you, just to make sure before they start building your home that everything that you've picked out is correct. So I had that meeting, and then literally like 2 days later, they started building my home, which was last Wednesday was the first week. Yeah, so that is everything, you know, as far as the home buying process with Ryan Homes. That was my experience, which was really good. I had a really good salesperson. So what I want to do now is take you guys with me. I'm going to go ahead and drive out to the site because I just want to show you, you know, what they've done so far with the house. I do receive a weekly update from my project manager where he just goes over with me what they've done so far to the house. I want to go out there, drive out there right now and show you guys what they've done so far. All right, so stay tuned. I'm going to go ahead and let's transition and get ready and go to the car. Guys, we are here. I'm so excited. We are here to get an update on my new house. So I am driving right now. I'm trying to remember which street it's on. I know my street name, but I'm just like, where exactly am I going? There it is right there. Okay, so I'm gonna turn the camera around. Ooh, some of these houses are already like really like almost done. Wow, these people build really fast. Okay, let me get my keys. Okay, let's go. Let me get out the car. All right guys, so we are here. You can see what my house is looking like now. Okay. All right, so we're walking. So this is where my new house is. It's on a cul-de-sac, as you can see. So one big cul-de-sac circle. Here's my little car. Look at this one. This one's like already fully done. It looks so pretty. Oh my goodness. It's gorgeous. I love the gray. I love gray. Like nice cool tone colors. That one over there is still being worked on. then that one. So this is a 2-week update on our house. Walk up here a little bit closer. Okay, so this is what we have so far on my house. Wow, look at this. So this is like the foundation part of the home. So they are prepping here for the basement. As you can see, they have all the footers in place. So this is, again, the foundation for the basement. Let me see if I can get a little bit closer. Wow, so look at that. This is so amazing. Oh my goodness. Look at this basement, it's huge. Huge, huge, huge. I'm just getting a little bit closer. Yeah, so this is the basement. So they've done the plumbing, and as you can see right there, I think that says sump, probably for the sump pump. So you can see all the plumbing that they've laid down so far here. Wow, this is so awesome. So this is like, these are the foundation walls for the basement. I didn't even know that they got this far. This is awesome. And then this is what the back and the sides look like. So this is the back. That will be the backyard back there. So lots of trees. Just beautiful out here. Yeah. So I think there's gonna be, yeah, there's another house right next to us that is in the same, looks like about the same time frame as us. But yeah, so it looks like they have the foundation for the basement walls in place, and as you can see, it looks like the plumbing was in place. The sump pump, if that's what it's called, that's what it looked like was there. So, and I'm just gonna walk around and show you the rest of the neighborhood. So let's see. Yeah, so yeah, it looks like there's gonna be another house right next to mine. Yeah, it's just a big cul-de-sac circle. I love cul-de-sacs because I think it's like great, you know, for your kids to play. This is so exciting. I'm just like so happy about this whole process. It's a beautiful neighborhood. It's nice and quiet. Yeah. So that is the 2-week update on my house. There's not a lot to see yet, but you know, that's what we have so far. Hey, I'm trying to see if there's a house that looks like what my house is supposed to look like, so you guys can get an idea. Let's walk. I'm gonna walk down a little bit. Let's see. I don't really see one that looks like what mine's is going to look like when it's finished. Let me get back in the car. I'm gonna get back in the car, and then that way I can try to show you what my house is supposed to look like. I think we'll drive down and then let's see if I can show you, give you an idea of what the finished look of mine's is supposed to be. Okay, so I'm back in the car. So let me turn around. I just want to show you what my house is supposed to look like. I'm trying to see if there is a finished one so you can get an idea of the design that I picked. I'm looking to see if there's one that looks like mine. Oh, the model. Let me show you the model. The model looks similar to mine. It just doesn't have the stone in the front. Okay, so I'm gonna show you the model. I'm gonna get out and show you the model. And this is like, it's not the same color, it is the same style. Okay, so let me show you. This is actually what my house is going to look like when it's finished. I'm trying to back up so you can see the whole house. So it's gonna have, you know, all those windows going straight across up at the top, 2-car garage, finished basement at the bottom, and then it'll have a front porch like that, just like this model. Not the same color though, but just the same style, and it's this craftsman style home. The only thing that's different is my house is gonna have like halfway here and over here and all around the house. It's gonna have this stone look, which is really pretty. I'm gonna have a back deck or anything. I'm gonna build my own because the back deck that the builders would have done with the model home, it doesn't open up or lead down to the backyard. So as you can see, I'm trying to walk around the back so you can see. So like if I had purchased a back deck with the builder, it's closed off like this one, and so it doesn't allow you to walk down to the backyard or anything like that. So I'm gonna have a private contractor come and do a back deck for me, or a patio actually, with some stairs leading out to the patio into the backyard. So I just wanted to show you what, you know, my house is supposed to look like when it's finished. I just wanted to give you an idea because it's going to be a little while, so I just wanted to show you what the finished look is going to look like when the house is done. So yeah, I'm so excited. This is like going to be so amazing, and I'm so happy that you all are following me on this journey with this home build. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, so stay tuned for more updates. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up on this video if you liked it, and stay tuned for more bi-weekly updates every 2 weeks on my new house. All right, thanks so much for watching. Bye.